So things that you talk about the rainforest, but what's their policy application, or what's the current policy in these regions is included? So Latin America, it's not only has the rainforest problem. Another issue would be like rural issues, land reform, land ownership, which is colonial history, and urban challenge and rural and urban disparity. All should be discussed, and the in the subsequent research, we're trying to finding out the potential mobilization of resources and stakeholder, pointing out the urban challenge in depth, understanding of how stakeholders can stimulate that formation market. Yeah.